Welcome to Unity High School Learning Management System. First of all parents will receive an email including the details for the students' logins that contain student's username and the student initial password. To start using the system, click on the link in the email. It will direct you to the login page of the system. Write down a student name. You can copy it from the email. And the password. And click on login. After first login, the system will ask the students to change the password, paste in the old password from the email again, and choose new password. New password must at least be 8 characters containing uppercases, lowercases, numbers, and symbols. For example, I will make it student at 123 with S capital, student at 123, student at 123, and click on Save Changes. The system will give you a message, password has been changed. Click on Continue. After that, the first page you will see is the dashboard page. In the course overview section, it will list all the courses or classes that the students enrolled in. For example, this is Year 5 students containing 7 subjects or courses. And based on the timetable that will be on our website, on the time of the online class, for example, if the time of this class is come, click on the class. And to start the Zoom session, click on Zoom link on the top of the course. It will ask you to open the session in the application of Zoom. Click on Open Link. And the Zoom application will start automatically, and if the teacher started the session, it will be opened automatically.